So, turns out that my screen recorder was incorrectly configured. It's actually ruined the recording. So that's pretty nice, I guess. But, yeah, I'm just did some coding here. So actually I should test this. So, kind of creating a little FFmpeg kit, kind of, I don't know. So from here, you could install it, which this program actually has no way of detecting your distro, so you have to manually enter it. It appears that I messed up something here. Let's see. What did I do wrong? -N. That should have fixed it. So, if let's go install FFmpeg again. So this has no way of finding out what distro you're using or what package manager you have. So you have to tell it which package manager. So you can see we have apt, apt-get, DNF, yum, and pacman. I actually already have this installed, so you can see it's going to say it's already at the newest version. So you can change your video's frame rate, which currently isn't working. Pretty sure it's something to do with FFmpeg messing up. I don't know. We can go with interlacing a video, which that works too. Oh, which actually I kind of forgot to add that to the home menu for deleting a video file. So we have delete video. See, this isn't a good way of doing it, so I'm gonna go and do it the same way as you saw in the install FFmpeg area. Install FFmpeg. To interlace video 3. Delete video 4. Exit. So we're just gonna actually you should add this too. Point 2 we're gonna call it. So now we don't have to access or execute more lines of code. 3, going to be deleting a video. So we're gonna go and so that should work. CERN brings up too. So 3. So if I just do that, give me an error. So it deleted it. I can actually go 3. Actually, I'm gonna actually should add a confirmation to that too. But so let me show you about this. If I go change video's frame rate, iPhones.mp4, enter an output path. So just go iPhones 2.m4. Enter a frames per second value. We're gonna go with 1, and it's actually going to start encoding that. It's actually used up a lot of CPUs. You can see my my processor is being overloaded. There's my phone. Who is that? Why are people? Well, there goes someone posting a video, I guess, of someone getting fired in a Discord channel that I created. Oh, that completed at the perfect time. So I set the frame rate to 1 frame a second.
You guys are still using iPhones?
And it is 30 frames a second. The weird choice of video is just because I found it on the internet and like whatever. I'm gonna have this on my computer. So we're gonna go with delete video. So instead, I want to go Delcon it's gonna go C. It's not. So so if that says yes, and I'm just gonna do else. Message not defined. That's just some random error. Or if I do that again. Probably some weird thing. Abort. Delete video. Alright. So iPhones 2.mp4, do you want to delete that video file? Oh, what happened? Oh yeah. We can't forget about that. Alright. iPhones. Actually, we're gonna have to go. Are you sure you want to delete that video file? No. Abort. Yes. Press enter to dismiss. Wasn't really any warning I was gonna do that. But now if I just go. It's gone. So, how long have I been recording for? 12 minutes. So for this part, I guess I'm going to talk about NextEdit for a bit. A lot of you people have been wondering, you know, what's with NextEdit? Well, still trying to solve this issue here. See, it's a directory. Did I screw something up? Really? Well, I managed to get NextEdit into a small, self-contained, executable one. How large is that? Yeah, it's gonna take forever to recompile. I don't want to do that. But I managed to get it. Actually, if I do that, it's gonna be good enough, isn't it? Well, it's 2.1 megabytes. Well, I was able to get it just in one single executable. There's none of all this excess stuff. But it was way too large, and one of the biggest problems is it takes way longer than gedit. I've heard people complaining, you know, saying, hey, this is good, make sure to make it load faster than gedit. But its current state, it's going to take longer to load. I don't think it's even going to load at this point. So I guess we can go with we do that. NextEdit should start. Obviously, saving has been loaded yet, since that's what my current focus is on. I've been thinking of switching to Tkinter or Tkinter, whatever that GUI framework is, because it seems like that will work. I've tried using PyInstaller on stuff that was made in Tkinter, and it seems that it compiles way faster, and it isn't as heavy. Because we saw in the last video, the single NextEdit executable was almost 1 gigabyte large. So this is where I'm going to end off this. Have the weekend to myself, hopefully. So if I have the weekend to myself, I will upload more. And yeah. See you guys tomorrow, I guess, or whatever. I don't know.